What do you have? Who's this?
That's Chase.
Chase.
And
Who's this one? What's the name of this? Who's this? Who's this?
Rubble.
Rubble the Double. This is it Zuma?
No.
What is that? What? Is it Zuma?
No.
Who's Zuma? This is Chase, right? Woof, woof. You can buy this at the Isaac Toys, Isaac Shopping, Isaac Shopping Store. You just visit www.isaactoys.com. Bye bye. You say bye bye.
Bye bye.
You buy this original Paw Patrol.
Papa John.